had to ask Alexa how to pronounce this word. Sopapilla. So, easy Sopapilla Cheesecake. If I might be saying it wrong. Let's get started. You're going to need 2 8-ounce packs of crescent rolls, 2 8-ounce packs of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 cup butter melted, 1 tablespoon cinnamon, 4 tablespoons sugar, and honey, which is optional. Open the crescent rolls. Now, if you can find the sheets, that'll work with this too. But you're going to use a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. I lined it with parchment paper. And you're going to spread out the crescent roll. Okay. Let's do it like this. I know it's set all the way to the edges, so okay. Pinch that together. Do like that. I'm just gonna kind of do like that. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this one in a preheated 350 degree oven for 5 minutes. Now what you're gonna do is we're gonna make the cheesecake filling. And you got your cream cheese, and then you're going to add 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And then you're going to add your vanilla, which is 1 teaspoon. And you're going to mix that together. I'm going to finish mixing this up, and then we'll do the next step. So you see how I got it smooth here and everything mixed together. I had the bottom crust at for 7 minutes because it still looked kind of doughy. In 5 minutes. It says 5 to 8 minutes. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this cream cheese spread. You're going to put it on there. Alright, so let's get this spread over. I would think you could add fruit to this too, but it doesn't call for it. Or you could eat it with fruit. I bet some strawberries would be good with this, blueberries. Now what you do is you take the second crescent roll and you put that on the top here. And says to stretch to the edges and seal. I don't know if you have to pinch these closed. It doesn't say. Well, I will a little bit. So I'm going to pinch those to the edges and seal it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cut some of this off because it's just long. I don't want it to be clumpy. So let's do like that. Make sure you seal it. Now, you take a quarter cup melted butter and I'm going to spread it on top. I'm using a basting brush to do this. It's just easier. Okay. I've never had this before. Actually never heard of it. And I happened to see it. I thought, I'll try that. It sounds good. I like cheesecake. I think I got enough butter on there. Sprinkle with top with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I'm just going to sprinkle it like this instead of measuring it across. Okay. And then some sugar on top. So I'm just going to take some granulated sugar like this and then just sprinkle it across. Alright, so Now what you do is you bake it for 30 minutes in a 350 degree oven until golden brown. It's been sitting out for several hours. So I'm going to cut into it. Now it says you can cut this into squares or triangles. So I'm just going to cut it into squares. Like that. That way, just easier. You can see the cream cheese in it. Now, the recipe says you can eat this hot, but I decided to let it cool down instead of trying to eat it hot. This is really good. Now you're going to want to cover this with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator, since it does have cream cheese on it. You can sprinkle some honey on it too. It's good without it, but you know what? I'll try some with honey on it too, so you'll know how it tastes with honey. Let me sprinkle some on the edge here. I don't want to put it all over just in case I don't like it. That's good with honey on it too. I think I'm going to add some more. Add honey on it. Yep. That's really good. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.